More updates coming in, and there is complete politics over the Secretariat fire that happened. Now the opposition parties allege a foul play. The opposition party is there saying that the gold scam files have been deliberately destroyed. The BJP youth wing is now protesting in Thiruvananthapuram. The BJP and the UDF have now cried foul over the Secretariat fire incident. Those are the visuals there coming in from Thiruvananthapuram, where we're looking at a protest that has taken place with the opposition parties that are alleging foul play over the Secretariat fire. Let me bring in my colleague Vivek for further updates on this. Vivek, this clearly is politics at its peak with the Secretariat fire, with the opposition parties now saying that this is the attempt to clearly sabotage and destroy the files related to the gold smuggling scam.
Exactly. There is protest mounting in various parts of the state. Remember, yesterday itself, the Congress has decided to call, decided to observe today as a black day. And the BJP has also decided to hold various protests, especially in its strongholds in Kasaragod, Palakkad, Thrissur, Thiruvananthapuram, and various other parts of South Kerala. As we see today, there was a violent protest march that took place in Kozhikode, where Muslim League youth leaders held a protest march towards the collectorate office, and that was stopped. And police had to resort to force, and few of those people are injured. Also, the BJP is holding protests in various parts, including Thrissur and Palakkad, and also in Kozhikode, demanding a CBI and an NIA investigation into this incident. What happened yesterday, where a fire broke out in the protocol section office under the General Administration Department, where files from 3 racks were completely destroyed. And after that, we know that an investigation is on, a vigilance inquiry is on, and also a 5-member panel under the supervision of the Chief Secretary has also decided to investigate this particular case. They're checking as whether this was a natural, an incident that happened by accident, or whether there was a sabotage behind this. Because most of the files, in related to the gold smuggling case are stored in this particular office. And what we also understand is that certain officials in this particular office are close to Swapna Suresh and P.S. Sarit. Still, all these are, it's still not confirmed, but these are the information which I'm getting from my sources. There is also a picture of Sarit, Swapna Suresh and few officials, a photo that has been, spread, which is circulated in some certain WhatsApp groups, in the Secretariat. So all these kind of informations are coming. So whether these officials actually planned this was a pre-planned attempt to basically destroy these files. So all these angles needs to be investigated. Especially remember, the NIA and the ED has sought various information to be given to them, especially from the General Administration Department, the CCTV footages, various documents. So looking into all these kind of things, yes, there could be a sabotage angle. We still don't know. All these things should come out after a proper investigation.
All right. All right, Vivek, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those breaking updates.